chimes.
That was song.
Oh, that was a song and Mark, I think.
Well, you know what? Go ahead and test it out, man. Go ahead and unsubscribe and then resubscribe. I want to test one of those graphics bullshits out.
Dang, dude, you set it up good. What
You
the
know?
heck? That makes me want to get some in and out.
Wow. All right. So that's working. How's my volume on the fucking Twitch thing going, bro? Let me make sure this is right. This is gonna be called on the fucking. If I could type on my damn keyboard.
Yeah. I have mine plugged into the wall.
In.
All DS chargers. Right. Yeah, I don't know where yours is.
This ain't IRL. This is social eating, bro.
Social?
Social.
So eating.
So eating. Woo! Alright, we're good.
Like, I want a burger now.
Right?
I want a burger now. I have to go run to the store for this shit. Not store, but In-N-Out. So, let's see what we got here. We got the double, and then we got the 3x3, and then the 4x4 somewhere around here. I think this is double.
Oh, they actually made one for you?
What do you mean? Yeah, double, 3x3, 4x4, all animal style. Let's get gout. Let's gout. Let's gout. No, I just want to cut that shit out. But
Why does your thing say another test?
oh, I just uploaded it, so if you refresh it, it'll be fine.
Wait, why were you being self-conscious about that?
What?
About the setup that you have right now?
Oh, because earlier when I got this table, it was illuminating so bright that it made me hella dark. Like I looked like Noob Saibot, bro. I look like an unlocked character. No, because it was reflecting so well on the board. I don't know, like the background, I was considered background. And yeah, that's where I'm at right now with my life. This is my life, guys. I just want to say, if you're tuning in right now, this is my first episode, Mukbang. I don't know where I'm going with this. I stream, I game, I eat. Let's kick it. That's all I got to say about this shit. And right now I'm eating. Oh my gosh. Oh shit.
Doing good.
We're good. We're good, bro. I just want to apologize.
First.
Oh, the top. We're going to work our way from top to bottom of the pyramid. Probably the other way, but...
Wait. I'm not trying to kill you.
Oh, this is a 3x3, you know. Here we go. Let's get some of that zoom in. You know, autofocus, do your job. Autofocus. Ho 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 ho! Thank you for following. Well, I was thinking about, like, what should I use for the GIFs when people start following me? And I could only think of Roman Reigns and Vince McMahon and shit.
I like the Vince McMahon one.
Yeah. Oh!
Because that's how I figure.
This is what
react.
This is what me and Sergio do. We don't even, excuse me, not even, Red Ekins. I just gave away his whole name. But, not his whole name, but his identity. But, when we walk into work, this is what we do. Don't say shit. And then we just go to work. And people who see that, they be like, y'all nasty. Well, that's one person in particular, but I'm not going to call out that name either. Oh my gosh, this is an awesome idea, and this is a stupid idea. What?
Hey man, as long as you don't get gout tomorrow, we good.
Oh, I might have to call off tomorrow. Oh man.
Nah, man.
No! Gosh darn
That
it.
will probably give you gout, but the whole point is...
No, you know, I just gotta hydrate up and walk it off, so we're good.
There you go.
Let me just show y'all this. If y'all auto-zoom, autofocus, do your job. It doesn't. Oh my gosh, trying to make it look good. Honestly, I almost dropped all of that. What?
What's
How many
up,
stacks?
Daddy?
Well,
Okay.
when I got from the store, In and Out, one of these is a double. One of these is a 3x3. One of these is a 4x4.
And
Let's
that's
go.
just the beginning.
Let's go. Let's
You
go.
got 2, 4, 3 currently in the lineup.
2, 3, 4.
I think the middle one is the 4x4.
Yeah.
Oh, well, that's the final boss then.
Yes,
Okay,
we're gonna keep
yeah.
this going. Let's just
So-
Uber Eats him some more In and Out.
No.
The one on your left is
No.
gonna be the.
Hey, I'm a Postmates you some shit.
What's up, Hugo Javier?
Just talk to my viewers for it, bro.
Freaking.
I was just playing. Let's just say it's too many stacks. Shit.
I'm confused too, but
What?
no, Jared trying to talk to your viewers.
Hey, everybody can talk to anybody, man. We're here to kick it. We're here to eat. We're here to
man.
do shit.
They can't
Damn.
use Discord.
Grimaldi's
Damn.
does Postmates?
I messed up. I'm not gonna lie. I messed up today, guys. I ate. I kind of ate before this,
What's up?
but you know,
Kim 702.
they do not call me. Whatever. I'll clean this shit up. I just got to move some shit around in my stomach, but we'll be fine.
Dude, seriously, let's just Uber Eats him some more In and Out. Keep the train going.
Damn, what up,
We'll just-
Ekams?
we'll just-
right now. Right?
Ekams 70 Deuce. Nah, just kidding. Get some Kims. But holy shit.
We'll just up the patty count with each one.
Oh my gosh. No, I honestly think you could only go up to 5x5. Like, because that guy messed it up for everyone over
No.
here.
No.
Nah. No,
Song.
What up, Song?
that guy messed it up for everyone. He did 100 by 100.
What happened?
Basically, he ordered meatloaf, and now you can't order like anything higher than 5x5. And I'm talking about like Vegas. I'm not sure if it's anywhere else, but that guy messed it all up.
Vegas they still do 100 by 100. You just gotta make sure it's not busy. So like go around like 3 o'clock. Ah,
3 o'clock.
motherfuck!
Don't most of them close up by like 2 a.m.?
No, I'm talking about 3 o'clock in the afternoon.
Oh, like when they're wrapping up. I'll be fucking pissed if I was a worker wrapping up my shift and it's like, can I get 100 by 100?
Yeah. I would too.
I'll be so
If I
mad.
say that shit, I'll be like, nigga, I just
Hey,
Whoa.
guy, what are you doing, man? We streaming, bruh.
Bro, why didn't we
Bro.
put us in the fucking stream channel?
Oh man, you killing me, dog.
What are you playing?
Oh,
We ain't
my
playing. We're mukbanging, bruh.
Mukbanging?
go ahead.
Mukbanging,
You
bro.
want to see what mukbanging is?
Oh, mukbang.
Well, all I know
Social
is I'm
eating.
drunk as fuck, and I'm about to play something.
I'll go ahead and play, but I am streaming right now.
We're in the streaming room.
Well, I mean, I'm pretty sure. I'm pretty sure, like they just don't want people coming up and ordering all that extra large ass meatloaf and shit. And but you know, like you got to probably call ahead. Oh, reported, bro. Thank you, you asshole.
Giving out false information.
Thank you, Ekins 702. That's my other homeboy over there. If you don't know, he's not on mic right now. I don't know why he's being shy.
He's not in Discord.
Do you even have enough drink for the rest of that?
No, I don't. I don't know why I put it down. It just belongs up here.
You know what you should have done? You should have gone
Salt.
to
Salty.
convenience store and then just bought a huge
Like a gallon of
liter.
water.
Yeah, or I was going to say a liter of soda.
I'm gonna try to finish this.
You should.
I messed up earlier. I kind of ate before, but
Bro,
we're gonna make
get with
room.
a country girl right now.
Nah, man. Hey, you gotta do it for the fans, man. You gotta finish.
Bro, I can't believe I've been gone for like 24 hours. What the fuck did I miss?
No, what happened to your ass? Your ass was
Oh
like
my god!
this guy.
What are you
Hold
eating,
up,
Tickery?
this guy.
You're
Hold
eating-
up. Let's
You're
be
eating,
for real.
A McDick bag? Oh, you're eating.
let's be for reals about this. This guy logs in 1 second, and then he's like, BRB, leaves. Next thing I know, hours pass, and I was like, what happened to that BRB? And then he's on a plane going California or some bullshit. Yeah, I know. I'm gonna need more drink for this, but I don't have backup.
Hey, I told you I'm on the plane, so I'll be right back.
Yeah, that's
and I'm back.
That motherfucking.
24 hours later.
This is all I got for backup for drink. I probably should just, I'll put it to the side. Because after the root beer, I love root beer. I should be like a root beer connoisseur. I still have to grease the wheels down with something, man. It's gonna be water.
Do you love Barks root beer?
Yes.
I think it's okay.
Right. Wait, that's
how
right.
many men do I have?
You like A&W. Wait,
Whatever,
you like
bro.
A&W, right?
A&W is okay. The burger place is not so good. No, yeah, it's shit.
No, I'm talking
It's
about
shit.
the root beer.
No, the burger place is garbage. The root beer is good.
Yeah, most people go there for the long down sale anyway.
I don't think I've ever
I
eaten.
feel like I'm dragging this out. I'm gonna step this shit up and just keep knocking out these burgers, man. It's not a food challenge, but I ain't trying to be here past midnight. Midnight my time. It's 10:26 PST.
Oh man, I really want to wait for tomorrow.
I don't know what you're talking
I'm
about.
really not looking forward. Yeah, I don't know what I'm talking about either.
Right.
Let's try and show this off. How do we? Well, I mean, it's all together anyway. Might as well just throw it on damn motherfucking bullshit. Can I fit a whole burger in your mouth? Do you want me to do the double?
Yeah, whole burger in your mouth.
I'll fucking do a double right here just for your dumbass.
You already ate the double.
Nah, that was a
Heat the 3x3.
3x3.
That was just a triple.
Nah, because this is the 4x4 right here. Yeah, this is
No,
4x4.
Motherfucker.
Nah, that's the 3. I see 4 patties on the one sitting on the.
Yeah,
the-
this is 4.
One in your
Annyeonghaseyo.
left hand, or the one that you just put down with your left hand, was a 4x4.
All right, we're gonna see what we can get with this. I can like fold this into like, and then.
Yes, have to.
Dang,
Hold on.
dude, you're gonna freaking fold the animal style fries inside of the burger?
We're gonna try. I'm trying like not mess the camera because I'm gonna need like all the strength to just You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, hold that up.
Doing a mukbang challenge right now, so I'll see you tomorrow.
Mud butt challenge.
Yeah, mud butt challenge. Mud
he's
butt
going-
challenge. He's trying to. He didn't fit the whole burger in his mouth, but he fit like a quarter of it. He's good.
Half. Valued effort.
Hey, bro.
Man, I started fucking choking watching you do that.
Hey, Tick,
Really?
how many burgers you ate?
Well, how many are we going by beach
1.5
patties?
so far.
1.5? bro, the other quarter of it is on your lip. It's on your mustache and your beard.
You mean a second mouth?
Yeah, it's like a mouth.
Damn. Most people would say
No
this.
discrimination. I love you though.
I love you too, bro. But most people would say the way I'm eating this shit is fucking disgusting. Well, I guess if it looks good, eat it. But shit.
Bro, I
that's- I did-
one right now, but I'm already home. Like
I would get the
should've
ketchup.
I should want to get in and out for both of us.
But I don't. I just didn't order it. Like, I usually have, like, extra condiments and shit to go with it. Mayo.
Yeah.
Mayo.
Saying,
Oh, no.
that's
And mayo. That special sauce.
tomorrow night. Baby. Yeah, I'll get you. I'll get you on lunch, Bullet, tomorrow.
But look.
Dang.
Yeah, no
Pretty
problem
good
for lunch,
idea.
man.
For
No
people
problem
who
for
like
driving you.
jalapeno.
Thank you for letting me drive your car.
Sure.
I don't think I'll be tuning in for that one. If you can get
Hey,
a bullet, I'm not
That's
gonna
what
be
happens
watching
when
that.
you got Slam Society life, man. I got the same thing.
The Moana sauce. Shut up.
Alright, bro.
Later.
Good night.
Night.
Oh my
I'm not
gosh.
going to sleep. I was saying that to believe.
Oh,
Oh,
now you were following.
man.
Yeah, I know who you are. This one's for you. Alright, let's get back to this because I'm trying to finish this shit up. And,
Hey, do I get a shout out for following you already? What the fuck?
bruh, follow me and then you see your shit pop up.
I'm gonna unfollow and refollow. Just
I know,
so it
right?
pops
So
Justice
how do I do
League.
that?
I don't know, bro. I don't even. There's like a big ass delay from what I'm watching, and I'm like looking at this other screen right here, and like the stains been gone from my beard, like all the. Oh man, this is stupid.
Going back in time.
Honestly, I need like a fork. Hold on.
Make
Hey,
more. We're gonna
Hey,
make-
how come you
make
didn't
more
invite me to
food.
this shit?
What do you mean?
When did you even fly in today?
Yeah, what that? You didn't even tell us you were gonna go out.
Right? You're the
We
one.
were out
Bro,
with like
I flew
Nick
back in
and-
at 5 o'clock for dinner. Okay.
and like
Y'all
Yeah.
didn't invite me to shit.
First off, what kind of
Everybody
dinner
has
place?
settlement money,
Was that a
okay?
Christmas party? What kind of Christmas party had a girl dancing in a cage? Like what the fuck, bro?
Yeah, what the fuck were you?
Hey, that's our Christmas party, Kate. United Nissan, we throw down. All right, we have bitches on stages. We got
Oh my
go-go
gosh!
dancing in the bathroom.
Don't give away your
Oh,
personal
yeah, no, we're
information.
good.
I don't know where you work. Where you work at, bro? Don't say that.
I already said it, so we're good.
Well, okay.
Oh my god.
I don't want you to get
I
in trouble,
love
bro.
this song right now.
Dang, if nobody else is gonna pick up this gold, shoot.
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 Hey, I don't know how many people love to watch
So-
you eat, but you got 15 followers.
Hey
including,
man,
like,
it's
5
whatever.
of us.
It's whoever wants to watch. We're fine. I'll give you a little bit about myself.
There must be some hungry son of a bitches.
I like to stream,
Hey,
Eat.
whoa.
like what I'm doing now, eating,
Don't mention that place.
and then games. I'm on some
Hey, Jared.
PUBG.
I
Bruh,
know
bruh,
you
Song,
love,
Song, you're killing me, bruh. I'm trying to talk to my
Oh.
peoples out here. And
Hey, I gotta send a song.
Bruh.
Okay? A song. This song is
Hey.
amazing right now. Just
Ekums, what the
Just
fuck?
local.
I mean, fucking Ekims, bro. What the fuck you doing, bruh?
Yeah, that does not look safe at all.
So, anyways, like, motherfucker, I play games. I stream. We're on some PUBG right now. We might move to Fortnite, but it's whatever.
No.
Oh, what?
Uh,
Because you guys can't build for shit?
it's not that. We're already all on PUBG. Why would we go to Fortnite?
Y'all garbage.
I have a baby coming
It's
to
garbage. What the
No,
heck?
garbage.
I
dude?
can't commit to all these games.
Yeah, it's one or the other, man.
Y'all garbage.
You're
Battleship.
garbage. I
battleships,
hope
man.
you feel like garbage after eating all of that.
I am. You don't even know.
Hey,
You
your
know-
shit's gonna be amazing. Did you get jalapenos on that bitch?
No, I did not.
Oh, you fucked up.
Bro.
You should probably
BRB.
state that
Oh,
this is for mature audiences, by the way.
Alright, so I'm about to hit that wall.
I got a whole nother burger, man.
Yeah, come on, man.
I'm about to hit that wall.
Gosh,
think we're gonna
don't
be good.
disappoint us like how you disappointed us with the with the lobster, man.
Mikey, I can't believe you put that shit out there, bro.
Gaming,
Disappointing.
Fortnite.
Anyways, yeah,
Wait, I'm back. What happened?
disappointing in someone. Putting down personal information and shit. PUBG is not dead.
Oh my gosh.
I'm not gonna lie. That's where I'm gonna be for my loyalty. My loyalty's with PUBG, aka Pug Butt, because that's just better to say than whatever the fuck they be trying to call it.
What do they call it? Because the only thing that I've heard it called is bug butt.
I heard it called something else.
Yeah.
I don't have ketchup.
Oh man,
I want
missed a
ketchup,
golden
though.
opportunity, man.
All right, guys.
Could have shown that bottle of best foods mayo, man.
No, man, Heinz.
Here we go.
Oh gosh.
Here we go.
Or that I think they have.
Oh,
bottles of
motherfucker.
Yeah.
The mayo ketchup.
Something
So.
like that.
You mean poor man's fucking Thousand Island? That's all mayo ketchup is, bro. All right. Well, this is probably.
Hey, put some juice on this.
All right.
All right. All right.
Squeeze the meat juice onto the fries.
Hey, put some juice on the fries.
Squeeze the meat juice on top of the fries, and then put the fries inside of the burger.
And then say
Request.
Big Daddy song.
Request granted, bro.
Big Daddy song, come on.
Request granted.
Jesus.
Oh my god. Today might be my first and last episode because I might die after this.
Oh man, gout's not gonna kill you.
Like, you just saw what cholesterol looks like, and that shit is going.
Put the fries inside
down.
of the burger.
Hey, how's your BP right now? Is it 180? Above 180 or lower
What's
than
your heart
180?
rate?
Oh
Right?
my gosh.
Yeah, I'm eating and my heart rate kicks up, bro.
No
I got
idea,
911 on-
man. You gotta hook
ready to
yourself
go.
up some monitors and like have your vitals like overlaid
Dude, you should. That should be legit.
every time you do mukbangs.
I know someone
Mukbang,
works
bruh.
at Apple. I think he still works there.
Bang, bang.
That's gonna be the setup.
Bro, you on your pillow? What the? You're like the type of guy that's not watching your country.
I'm not.
Ruby. Oh,
I'm gonna keep all the flavors on this board. All the flavors. Wow.
The
Dude,
are you saving that shit
No,
on your
no, after
beard
this-
for later?
After this cutting board is going for sale for the #1 episode of Mukbang with In and Out. Y'all could buy each cutting board I have after each show. $200.
Oh,
The maiden voice.
Oh, okay.
I'll sign it. I'll spit on it. I'll do whatever. What do you want?
I want you to rub your dick all over it. Say Big Daddy song.
Shit. This is hard, man.
What?
This
Ruby,
shit is hard, bro.
Man.
Ruby,
I
come
told
here.
you before, don't disappoint us like how you did with the crab legs.
Okay, how did I
said
disappoint the
lobster
crab
wraps.
legs when I finished the plate? I don't understand.
Because you mentally checked out. That was already a defeat.
It doesn't matter. A win's a win. It doesn't matter if it's by an inch or a mile. A win is a win. Oh my gosh, this is hard. I'm like at the edge, bro. I'm like on the. Oh my gosh.
Go beyond.
Yeah, this is to go further beyond.
Oh my gosh.
Man, you look like you're so full right now.
I like this.
No, she left my party.
Oh,
That
the
bitch.
rock finish this nice.
I got this. This is a fries that's gonna be a bitch.
Dude. Yeah, man. Next time though, like we should have your vitals on screen.
Oh shit! That would be hella good, bro.
Who's got the hook, man?
Channel your inner Dwayne the Rock.
I got my laptop right here. So every time I'm staring, I'm trying to look in the chat room. There's a big ass delay going on right here. So I got some Moana right here, you asshole. There's like a 30-second delay on the stream that I'm watching. Can I just like not?
35.
Like if I pause my video, is the chat still gonna go? I haven't figured this whole thing out.
Ah, fuck.
Yeah, chat would still go.
Hey Nick,
Go ahead and type something in real quick. Let me just someone test this out. We're almost done, guys. Has it been really like 40 minutes I've been eating? No, I started a little bit after 10.
hello, anyone?
No, you started
You
like
guys hear me?
10:20.
Nick, Nick.
Oh my
Next
God.
time here.
What the?
What's your request, Ekims? 7
Hello?
Deuce.
What the fuck? I'm still
What
in.
is that? I'm not. I can't. I don't want to click off my screen, bro.
Oh, sound requests. That's right. Yeah, you need to start doing sound requests.
Play that song? I don't even know
Everybody
what
wants
it
to
is.
hear Ram Ranch.
What?
Okay.
I don't even know what it
You
is.
okay?
No,
Yeah,
it didn't switch me.
don't.
I'll make a man out of you. I would. But the thing is, I gotta go all the way over there and get to my regular PC so y'all can hear it. But holy shit, man!
You're not done yet, man.
I'm not done. Oh, this guy. Thank you, manager. Telling me my time constraints. I'm not gonna lie. I am legitly like stalling on this shit because this is hard. I'm trying to look at the chat room. Is anybody talking?
I think you should have just settled for 2 burgers since you'd already eaten earlier in the day.
You don't settle. You never settle.
The thing is, 3 is a good number, right? 3?
Yeah.
Yeah. All the carbs. These fries, these carbs, all the carbs.
Just
I
do
should have
some
opted
push-ups.
for the
Just do
lettuce.
some push-ups to burn off.
I don't normally talk with my mouth full, but damn.
That's disgusting, man. Close your mouth.
Fucking, you're one to talk. Fucking pissing and shitting on Discord.
For real.
Seriously, Jared? Really? Coming from you?
Oh, man.
See.
Just do some
GED.
push-ups, Tick.
I'm dead.
Yeah, there you go.
Push-ups? You wanna knock us some push-ups?
Push-ups, and
Because the
then
other
finish
things
the
are going to
rest.
be coming up in those push-ups, bro. I'll tell you right now.
Sit-ups, you won't.
Sit-ups. I don't do sit-ups either, man. Yeah, you're right. I won't. Oh my gosh.
Fuck is.
So, yeah, I just want to let you know, guys, this is for y'all. My pain is y'all gain in entertainment and whatever the fuck.
How's our pain?
My pain.
His pain, our gain.
Like growing pains?
Yeah.
Yes, growing pains.
I'm still
Max.
growing.
Huh, yeah.
Holy shit!
Gouting pains.
Oh my god, never mind.
Before I go, I have to say a prayer tonight. Before I
In
sleep.
case you pass in your sleep.
Oh my
At
god.
least you're going out the way that you want to.
I want my casket to look like a giant In-N-Out bag. And
I
just
don't
put
know
it in
if
there.
it's buried in your magnum.
I don't be buried in my magnum too, bro.
The White Ranger. Oh wait, no, the
I don't get out of here. I don't know why Ethan's just don't get online. Oh my gosh, this is bad news.
What? I didn't want to go to war, and he sent me to war anyway.
I'm almost done, guys.
You don't have a choice.
No, I said now's not the time, and he's like, we're going to war.
I must have my
Why
bill
give
on
me an
that.
option? Why give me an option in the
The
game?
illusion. The illusion.
God.
Bro. Hey, Max,
Yes.
you've been looking at IOTA?
I've been. Oh, IOTA? No, not yet.
Okay. Like I said, I bought it at 78 cents per
Uh-huh.
share. It's at $2.31 right now.
My.
You gotta get into it, man. It's going up.
Yeah, it's going up pretty quick.
It's gonna drop soon. Like the way I'm looking at the charts, it's gonna drop once it reaches peak,
I guess y'all don't got in and out where you're from.
it's
You
probably gonna
just
drop to
go.
$1.
I'm just almost dead right now.
The black version of Chun-Li from Pawn Stars.
I saw that
Are
too.
you gonna
But
are you gonna hold or are you
I
gonna
don't-
cash out?
I just want to say,
Because right now I'm at $300.
my boys laughing, but
$300?
Yeah, and
yeah,
like,
come harder
I
with
make
that with the joke.
personally
How much
It's
have you
alright.
invested?
190
That's not bad.
shares.
I'm almost done here, guys. We made it.
Oh,
So
Litecoin
you aren't done
Litecoin's
until that
back up to
entire
$100
cutting
bucks.
board is clean.
yeah, I was thinking about Litecoin's gonna drop soon. I think the next time it drops is around $90 to $80.
Mhm.
Once it drops between those two, I'll buy again.
Yeah, I was thinking about buying a couple
Yeah.
coins.
So I'm waiting for it to drop. Once it drops, I'll buy.
Man, now I want to go out and get some In and Out.
I want to buy some
Gosh.
out too.
I know. You want to go? Let's go.
Weak-minded. No, I'm just kidding. It's just hella good. Just not the way.
11,000.
Not the way I'm having it.
Pick me up, song.
Bitcoin's on a different fucking level. Like I can't afford that shit.
Well, I mean, you can buy fractions of a coin, but
Yeah, I know, but
I don't think it's worth it.
yeah, it's not worth it. If I bought like 5 years ago when it was like less than $100,
Yeah.
I'll be pretty good.
Hmm.
I'll be like, all right, I'll cash that bitch in.
I don't know what the farthest.
We have a Whataburger over here too.
I don't know what. Yeah, I don't know what the farthest
Whataburger?
east In and Out goes to. It's hella good.
Whataburger, the next Whataburger
It's really
we have
popular.
is probably,
I think it's alright.
in Arizona or New Mexico.
In-N-Out's in Texas, and then Colorado's getting one soon.
Colorado soon. Texas, Colorado.
No, Texas already
Oh,
has one.
fuck Whataburger. Oh, whatever. But it is good. To me, I think it's alright. I chose it because one of my homeboys on here chose it, and it is unique to the West Coast, so I wanted to eat this, and then y'all get to see food that we get, y'all don't get. Vice versa, there's stuff out there we don't get, but I'm gonna try and get like more interesting foods that you can't get anywhere else. I mean, because regional wise.
I'm talking like White Castle.
White Castle's
No,
out
White
here.
Castle sucks.
White Castle's okay, but the thing
No, it's
is,
garbage.
it's okay. And
See,
one,
look,
I
you're not
have. Yeah, I know. He's onto my bullshit
Oh,
about
Mark, shut up.
wasting time, but
Yeah, stop wasting time.
but but the thing is, Chili's or Applebee's, no one goes there. but the thing is, like, White Castle is unique, kind of. You really can't get that on true West Coast. I mean, it's here on the Strip. I just got to pay a fucking high-ass Strip prices for that. If you don't know, I'm from Las Vegas, so that's what's going on with that. That's why it's Strip.
You should do West Coast fast food for a while.
Canes.
Fast food?
Wiener
Oh,
Schnitzel.
dude. Do the fucking 50 fucking chicken finger challenge.
Or Roberto's California burritos.
I
yeah,
wanna do
Wingstop is
Wingstop.
everywhere, that's right.
I want to do Wingstop, but
Wings.
come on, it's wings. Come on, we can get wings anywhere. It gotta be unique. Wings aren't too that unique, you know. They come with their like specialized sauces and shit. But
Yeah, no, that's why. Like, I mean,
now
Wingstop is
I might
great.
do a blazing challenge next. I don't know.
Oh my god.
Oh.
I might do something
would-
stupid and do a hot sauce kind of challenge next. But hey, you know, so whatever we want.
You won't do blazing?
Grill.
Oh, that's right. Yeah, heart attack grill.
Do steak and shake too.
The thing is,
Oh yeah.
I live
Mark, do it with
I live far from where it's located.
That sounds like an excuse.
So,
Stream from Heart Attack Girl. Oh my gosh! And then like fucking no, I don't know, man.
and then they will
Yeah, dude.
Dog next, what? What?
Finish up your fries.
What do you mean?
There's
Yeah, dude.
fries still left, man.
It's the fucking bad
Stop
lighting,
calling.
bro. It makes it look like there's shadows and shit. That's
Oh,
what-
okay,
Yeah.
alright.
It's the I
Start licking the cutting board.
don't do that.
Yeah, man. That cutting board better be clean by the end of this.
Scrape it into your cup and then drink it.
Mm-mm. I'm down for most things, not all things. my gosh.
Oh, dude, you should go get voodoo wings again.
Voodoo wings is not that hot. I'm not gonna lie.
Oh, come on.
Yeah,
I still have that
maybe
Snapchat.
blazing. Oh, a ghost pepper sauce challenge. Oh, you don't want me to die?
Oh, you know you should do what is it?
That chip? That
the
one chip?
spicy ramen challenge. Those
Ah.
like ramen noodles.
Well, you want to do that one chip?
The one chip.
Oh my gosh.
The Reaper,
no.
Reaper, Carolina Reaper one chip challenge.
Yeah, the one that you brought into freaking
No.
place where
No.
we eat. The one
There's
that
like one chip.
Everybody go to the back.
There's like one chip.
Oh, Mad Dog 357?
Yeah.
Yeah, no.
I'm not gonna break that
Don't-
out again.
Oh. Yeah.
Wing King has the hottest wings
I
in
wanna.
Vegas.
I actually want to see that. I would sub for that too. I'll donate for that.
I think I'm done here, ladies and gentlemen.
No,
I want
Guys,
Can I call it? I can't call it, so I gotta eat everything.
No,
can't call it.
that's what we're here for. We're the ones who verify that everything is.
Ladies and gentlemen, I am not done. Hold on. Y'all didn't let me finish.
Holy crap! Really, Millerson?
I'm not even looking at the screen now. Alright. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm looking done, dude.
Bullet.
Bullet.
I
Bullet is...
won't be watching that one.
Why not?
No, I can't. Can't watch that.
It's already dead.
I don't care.
Yes. I hear
One chip Carolina Reaper.
one chip Carolina Reaper challenge, but last time I looked online, it was like $40 for one chip. I'm not trying to order $40 for one chip. I'd rather go spend that at a buffet. A good buffet. M Resort.
You know what?
To be specific.
If if everybody has $40 to spend, why don't we all just do it together then?
Go get your own damn show, Jared! Go get your own damn show! I'll watch that! I ain't trying to be part of that. Oh my gosh.
I wouldn't be able to anyway since I can't eat spicy.
Jesus.
Alright, guys. So,
Ah,
I just want to apologize. Usually, and this is West Coast times, PST, I want to start eating on Sundays, 6 p.m. my time. I kind of let that shit go over because I was busy. I had like hella things to do today and just
Yeah, you
just
did.
occupied. So I had my schedule taken up. Better late than never, but this is what I want to do. Also, I stream nightly anytime I get off of work because this is just part time. You know, I'm not getting paid. I'm just doing this for enjoyment and shit, and just getting to meet new people. People, thank you for following me. You know, I'm not gonna tell you to because if you like it, you should. I don't have to tell you anything. And again, thank you for just watching me. Just hella go through my fat assery, total fat assery. I don't know.
You live vicariously.
Yeah, so I'll usually these are my friends, co-workers, and we play games. We're playing PUBG, Players Unknown Battlegrounds. We usually play battle shits, aka World of Warships.
World of Warships.
We're playing other things. It's definitely morning news. And then it's like that's what we're doing right now. We might move on to Fortnite, but I heard some booze when I mentioned that earlier. Yeah, there goes the booze. We're trying to move on to other games. Hey, I told everyone the next time Rust goes back on sale, I got everyone on a copy of Rust. Sorry, my friends only. Not y'all. Maybe I might throw a contest out there. A free follower might get a whatever Rust on Steam. But it's whatever. I just want to say again, I'm gonna end my stream. Thank you, and yeah, have a good evening. All right, late.
Sapporo sushi, dog.